Precision sheet metal fabrication begins with controlled forming technology. STARWAY manufacturing. CNC bending systems help transform flat aluminum sheets into engineered industrial components. Proper positioning is critical for maintaining dimensional accuracy and repeatable forming performance. Every production cycle starts with precise material alignment through programmable CNC control systems. Each bending operation follows predefined parameters to achieve consistent angle, accuracy, and stable component geometry. After forming, critical dimensions are inspected to verify compliance with engineering requirements. Inspection helps ensure repeatability before batch production begins. Consistency is one of the most important indicators of manufacturing capability. Our production workflow is designed to maintain stable quality across every production batch, from prototype development to large-scale OEM production. STARWAY supports precision sheet metal fabrication with control manufacturing processes. Your trusted partner for precision sheet metal fabrication.